Okay folks, today we have a 2018 Honda CR-V EX with less than 6,000 miles. This vehicle is like brand new. Comes with a Honda certified pre-owned warranty which gives you all type of added protection. You're also going to get fog lights on this vehicle, privacy glass in the back, turn signal indicators. Now let's take a look at some of these interior features. Okay folks, taking a look at the back of this CR-V, you'll notice you have plenty of cargo room back here, as well as a privacy shield so nobody can see what's inside of the back of your trunk. And you also have a spare tire back here as well. Moving to the back seats, you do get this nice comfortable gray interior cloth, extremely comfortable for any passengers you may have in the back, plenty of legroom and headroom. You also have USBs back there as well. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you do have Bluetooth capabilities in here, as well as Honda sensing, which includes lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. You're gonna have heated seats and a moonroof in this vehicle. Okay folks, come on down to 115 Lenz Road here at Delaney Honda in Indiana, PA. And check out this just-in 2018 Honda CR-V EX. Gorgeous lunar silver metallic color with less than 6,000 miles, folks. This vehicle is like brand new, certified pre-owned, so you're gonna get added warranty with it. Comes standard with remote start, adaptive cruise control, moonroof, heated seats. It has almost everything in it, folks. Get down here today to check it out. Come see me, Treston, 724-717-1500. Thank you and have a great day.